So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to send link on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to send a link on Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. So as you can see here, just log on to your Monopoly Go in your old device, and then we just have to navigate into our main section right here and go to your friends. And as you can see there, you can see in this add friend section where there's contacts, Facebook, and invite. So basically all you have to do is just sending a link is pretty easy. It's either you go through your contacts and add their phone number right here, or the second option is going through Facebook. So here there's going to be a Facebook notice that the game needs to access your public profile in order to connect your account, and the game needs to access your Facebook friends in order to connect with your friends in the game. So while you can also invite people by doing this manually, like we're gonna talk about, like how to send link. So basically all you have to do is invite and then copy it, and then there you go. Basically you have copied it already and you're just ready to send the link to anyone that you want to send it to. So basically that's just how you send a link on Monopoly Go. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.